लैक्स है इस कॉलेज का फीस यार। इफ़ यू आर डूइंग MBBS यू शुड वॉच दिस वीडियो। ये वीडियो में हम लोगों ने बात की कस्तूरबा मेडिकल कॉलेज की, एंड इट्स माइंड बॉगलिंग कि उस कॉलेज की फ़ीस क्या है, प्लेसमेंट्स क्या है, बहुत डिटेल में हम लोगों ने बात किया है। मैंने एक स्टूडेंट को रीच आउट किया था एंड हम लोगों ने उसका इंटरव्यू लिया है इस वीडियो के अंदर, एंड उसने पूरे एक एक पॉइंट्स बताए फ्रॉम एडमिशन प्रोसेस टू एंडिंग। बहुत सारे लोग पूछते हैं कि यार सच में इतनी ज़्यादा फीस है क्या? ऑलमोस्ट 70-80 लैक्स फीस है, विच इज़ अनबिलीवेबल। तो ये वर्थ इट है या नहीं है, क्या प्रॉस क्या कॉन्स है इस कॉलेज के, सब कुछ हम लोगों ने इस वीडियो के अंदर डिस्कस किया। 30 मिनट्स का वीडियो रहेगा, वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। बहुत नॉलेज मिलेगा आपको अगर आप MBBS फील्ड में हो, आपको ये कॉलेज में जाना चाहिए या नहीं, इतने पैसे लगाने चाहिए, वर्थ इट है या नहीं, सब कुछ। तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो एंड मुझे बताओ कि और भी कोई टॉपिक पे आपको वीडियो चाहिए, मैं वो भी बनाऊंगी। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड, और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रहेगा, तो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड।
You're paying, I think, a total of 77, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember exactly, but
7 lakh.
yes, yes.
Oh my god.
Just take it if it's a government college. Don't think about कि KMC बहुत अच्छा है.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about a most famous college, that is KMC College, Kasturba Medical College, which is very famous. And today we have Nikita over here who will be helping us to know everything about the college because she is in it. So she has a lot of idea, and ये एकदम honest review वाला वीडियो रहने वाला है जहाँ पे आपको सब कुछ पता चलेगा इस कॉलेज के बारे में. So let's get started. Hi Nikita, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. I'm good too. So could you please introduce yourself?
Hello everyone watching. It's me, Nikita. I am in second year MBBS. I study in KMC Manipal.
Okay. And what's the course that you are pursuing over there?
I'm doing MBBS.
Okay. And how did it start? How did it get started? Like, what was the motive behind doing MBBS, and, what exactly was the motive behind it? Yeah.
Initially, I was always a biology over maths wali kind of bacha, and I had some relatives who were preparing for NEET when I was like in class 6th or 7th. That's how my parents came to know about NEET. That's how I came to know about MBBS, and that's how it all started.
Okay. Great, great. So let's talk about the college. Like, what exactly is the admission process of this college? Walk us through everything that you have got to learn about the college so far, and how is the overall experience? Just walk us through in detail. First of all, with the admissions, and then we'll talk about later about with the experience.
So I in like KMC Manipal is a deemed college. And the admissions happen usually like every other college. You give NEET, you get your result, you apply for counseling. So in your list, you have to, along with government colleges, you have to select the option for deemed colleges, and you can add deemed colleges such as KMC and then like many other colleges. I personally wanted a government college but did not get it, obviously. So I put KMC Manipal as like my like all the government colleges, and then KMC Manipal as my first option for a deemed college, and that's how I got it. You get it through the All India Counseling. There's no other way. Despite of all the DMs I do get, there is no donation that you can do and get direct admission in KMC. Not that I know of. At least that you just get admission through All India Counseling.
Yeah.
That's how I came to Manipal. The first time I ever got to know about Manipal was through this NEET counselor that I had hired because we did not know anything about colleges at all. So he told us that KMC Manipal is a good college and you should go there. And it was only when I actually I got allotted KMC and then I went to Manipal. So it was a very new experience for me going that far. And yeah, and the college is actually very great. Whatever you hear about it online, it's all very true. The academics are great. There's a lot of extracurriculars. There's always something happening. You can you can be whoever you want to be in Manipal. That's how I tell people. Like, if you want to be your academic weapon, you can be that. If you want to go into extracurriculars, you can do whatever you want to do.
Oh. And what were the colleges that you were aiming for before?
So I knew my score was not that high. I was aiming for Haryana colleges through the state counseling, but and then for through like All India Counseling, I was either aiming for like KMC, or after that I had some biases in the list. So I knew that I was gonna get a deemed college only.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So let's talk about the overall experience. So how long you are into this college, and how's the course of yours? Like, how is everything? How are the faculties? How the whole course is designed? Let's get deeper into it. Like, so that student should know कि college अच्छा है, faculties कैसी है, experience कैसा है, and overall how's the city? Like, of course, and where are you from, by the way?
I am from Gurgaon.
अच्छा, ओके,
If
यू आर फ्रॉम गुड़गांव, ओके, ठीक है, सो
yes, yes.
हाउ इज मणिपाल ट्रीटिंग यू?
Okay, so we'll start about like, okay, I think I'll start with the academics first.
Yeah.
So your first year subjects are basically anatomy, biochemistry, and physiology. I think our teachers, our faculty, everybody, they're so great. Especially like the anatomy department has my heart. They're like my favorite kind of people is the anatomy department of KMC. Some of the teachers, they're the best here. The people who teach here, they are literally like one of the best in the country. The way they teach, they in most colleges, as much as I have heard, and as my friends who are in other government colleges, the teachers don't really care about you, and they don't really pay much attention. They don't even come to lectures, and they don't teach with that much interest. But the kind of teaching that you'd find here, it's very I'd say top notch. The teachers actually do care about you. The teachers, even like maybe if you're that good or that bad, the teachers will actually remember your names. And it's just the way of teaching, it's very personalized. It's very, I think, much better than what I've heard in other colleges. It's like almost a very interactive environment. That is how I would say. About anatomy, our DH, like the dissection hall that we had, it was like the best and most um, immersive and learning experience. Our teachers actually used to like teach us so well, and then we had tests every like week, every other week. We have tests very regularly here. Now that can be either a headache for some people, but I think that's really important for you to learn. And about I personally, physiology was not like my strong subject. I like I understood it, but the way that you write answers in the exams matter a lot in physiology. But yeah, just like I said, the teachers are very helpful in that way. Also, you can go to the teachers anytime in any department and just go up to them and ask them to explain you something. They're always available. So I think that is like the biggest plus point of KMC is that the academics and the faculty and the teachers are so great.
Okay, and what about the extracurricular activities? Like, do they have any societies or something for just chill
Oh,
and
definitely. We have a club for like every single thing imaginable.
okay.
You can find a club in KMC for everything. If not in KMC, because we live in Manipal, so apart from KMC, we have all other colleges here that come under Mahi, like the university. So
Mhm.
if you don't find an absurd club in KMC, you will find it under the university. So there's always something happening. You'll always find somebody dancing on the stage, practicing for some weird event that's gonna happen. Like not weird, but yeah, there's always something happening. You can all whether it's sports, whether it's culturals, whether it's dance, it's music, it's art, it's whatever, every single thing imagining they will like allow you to shine as what I would like to frame it.
Nice.
The extracurriculars,
I've rarely
they're
seen
great.
like people, talking about their college with so much enthusiasm. Like, अच्छा है college. Most of them were like, ठीक है यार, चल रहा है ऐसा. It's good. It's good. कि actually college is treating you well. So let's talk about three pros and three cons of the college according to you. Like, what were your thoughts and what were you thinking while going to college? And now it's been so long. You were there from past to 3 years, right? 3 to 4 years.
I've been here since August of last year, so like this is my second year. Yeah,
Okay.
I've been here for like a year and 4 months, 3 months, I think.
Okay. So yeah. So let us know like three pros and three cons of this college that you think might be true.
Okay, should we start with the cons or the pros first?
Yeah. You can start with pros.
Okay. Um, Pros, I'll say there's something for everybody. You can literally, the academics here is like top notch. You'll find people preparing for USMLE, for PLAB, for NEET PG. The teachers are, really helpful in every single way to you. They're not just academically, but even with your own like personal problems. We are assigned mentors here, which I found really nice. You can always like
Rely on them.
contact the mentors for whatever. I think that is like the number one pro is the academics here are like top notch. The second pro I would say that there's the extracurriculars, there's always something happening. You'll never get bored in Manipal. Um, Third pro is, I think, the sense of community that Manipal brings, because it is a campus town. There's a lot of colleges. You'll always find people from every single part of the world here. You'll find people who are exactly like you, who are completely different from you. It really builds your personality as a whole. So I
Okay.
think, yeah, third is personality
Acha,
development.
there are people from different colleges, different
From
cities,
different countries.
countries. Yeah, makes sense. Diversity is there. And let's talk about cons.
Yeah. I think the number one con for me personally is it's so far away, if especially if you're North Indian, that really takes a toll on you sometimes, because the college is really, really far away. If you're used to living far away from home, then maybe it is not such a huge problem. But yeah, it has took me a long time to get used to the fact that, yeah, it's the distance, the number one con. The second con is, it's not really a con, but it's, yeah, the amount of extracurriculars and the diversity that this college has can also be a con, in a way that there's always a way for you to, deviate and get into the wrong things, if you know what I mean.
Yeah,
So
that's what
that really
happens
depends.
now in most of the colleges.
Yeah, so it really is a con, depending upon how you respond to it. So I think, yeah, that is a con. And
You can say it
um
freely, like get deeper into it and talk about it, because if something is something like this you have experienced, that's why you're speaking. This thing you can.
Oh, definitely. Like, okay, if I can say freely, we'll delve into it if we have the time. But yeah, the third con I think is that I don't think there's any other. You'll all, because it's so far away from home. It's literally it gets too much sometimes, in a sense that if you're not a very extroverted person, and if you're not used to being in tough situations, this can get tough for you, is what I'd say.
Okay, all right. So let's talk more about like the academics part, because most of the students travel from all over India for colleges. So it's it's we should like delve deeper into what exactly how is the academics of the college. So if you can share more about the experiences, like do you guys get hands-on experience on different things that you do every semester, and how does it work?
One con that I forgot to mention is the language. Um, Related to academics, obviously. So I think KMC is really good in a way that it teaches you a lot of things. And say if I start with first year, we have our dissection hall. We are allotted one body. This year, I have heard that they have one body for 20 people, but we had one body for 25 people. So we had one cadaver for 25 people. So our batch of 250 students was divided into 20 different dissection hall tables, and we had one cadaver for 25 people. Now that is slightly a problem, because if you're not like into it, and if you're not actively trying to learn, you won't be able to learn, because it's just not physically possible for like 25 people to be at the same time and be focused all the time. But if you're really interested, and if you're like actively trying to learn, it's really great. I think I learned anatomy 99% in the dissection hall, and I did a little bit of reading baad mein. But for anatomy, I think that the department is really well in the way that they teach. So they really like सब कुछ वो तुम्हें DH में याद करा देते हैं, तो तुम्हें बाद में जाके इतना मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ती anatomy के ऊपर. About physiology, I think physiology I was not very strong in physiology, so I don't think I have the right to comment on physiology. But yeah, they teach you really well, and they give you PPTs and everything. So it's on you. You have to like read and go to the teachers and ask doubts and actively try to study the subject. You have to give it time. And there's always the teachers are very helpful with every single thing. About biochemistry department was like, so they're just a bunch of so friendly and unserious people who know that biochemistry at the end of the day is just like you have to learn certain things, but they teach you in a very clinically applicable way, so it's easier for you to learn things. We are always taught in the way that we're given cases basically. So whatever we're learning, whatever topic we're doing, they give us cases and then we have to solve those cases. Even in our exams, we are not asked like direct questions. If even in our viva, in our practical, they always like give us a sheet of questions which has like cases, and they say a random number, or they just ask you like ye wala case batao, and then you have to read it and then next like basically discuss the case with the teacher, and that's how you get marks. So I think that's really nice rather than just rut-tying everything.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Let's talk about the fees of the course. Like, what's the fees of your 3 or 4 year program, first of all? And then we can
Mm-hmm.
move
Yeah.
onwards to the placements part, like what's the average CTC that students get, if you know from your seniors. So, yeah, let's talk about the fees and then the placements.
The fees of this college is the biggest problem. I feel like it's not a like it's a very big amount.
Okay.
Um, I remember, as far as I know, we in first year we had to pay like a total amount of 17 lakhs for like tuition fees, and then depending on which hostel you're staying in, it's for I lived in first year. I had a double non-AC room, so I had one roommate and I did not have AC in my room. I was paying about
Also,
85,000.
share a bit more about hostel life. Like most of the students, usually prefer to stay in hostel rather than PG or something. So, like, how was the hostel? What was the fees? And how was the overall structure of the food or mess and everything? So, yeah.
Yeah, so I was talking about the fees. It's in the first year we paid about like 17 lakhs, 18 lakhs combined of like the hostel, the mess, and the tuition fees, everything. And the same is in second year. So you're paying, I think, a total of 77, if I'm not wrong. I don't remember exactly, but
7 lakh.
yes, yes,
Oh my God. यार इतने
yes. The
लोग
fees.
लंदन पढ़ के आ जाते हैं.
It is a lot, definitely. मतलब और
God, okay.
and it's like
I was not expecting this, यार.
यू कैन अरे गूगल करके देखो भाई पूरा फीस स्ट्रक्चर. मेरे पास इतने डीएम्स आते हैं कि केएमसी की फीस कितनी है, केएमसी की फीस कितनी है. मैं कहा भाई साहब देखो, मैं ना पीडीएफ का स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर रख लेती हूँ, बस भेज देते हैं.
77 मतलब.
इट इज अ लॉट भाई. एंड पीपल आर देयर ऑन स्कॉलरशिप्स आल्सो, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि तुम्हें इतने पूरे देने ही पड़ते हैं. अगर तुम्हारी रैंक आई थिंक 10 था, अगर तुम्हारी रैंक 5000 से कम है तो तुम्हें 40% 30% कुछ ऐसा फीस में ऑफ मिलता है. And then अगर तुम like a rank holder also, there's also like 100% scholarships.
Still a lot. Okay.
But then why would a rank holder come to KMC?
That also makes sense.
But then if you're South Indian, it makes sense. If you're like from a nearby place, then KMC is better than a lot of government colleges.
Okay.
So then it makes sense for you to come to KMC, but the fees is a lot.
A lot. Honestly, our 17 lakhs is a big deal for every year. It
It is very.
almost sum up to a CR for you. And how is the hostel life?
The hostel life is great. Okay, I can just go on and on about how much I like my hostel
Maybe
life.
because
I'm
you
like,
have good friends over there.
yeah.
Yeah.
अभी मैं घर आई हुई and all I can think about is कि hostel में यार hostel miss कर रही हूँ मैं.
That makes sense. And how is food and everything?
Food is okay. I mean, I'm used to it, but a lot of people मतलब eventually लोग mess छोड़ देते हैं क्योंकि इतना अच्छा खाना नहीं है mess का. You will get bored eventually, but it's healthy. It's like basic bland खाना. If you can get used to it and add a little bit of supplements, बाहर से फल फ्रूट खा लो तो तुम्हारा nutrient तुम्हारा सारा balance right हो जाएगा. But if you're used to eating delicious food every day, you will not get that in the mess. The food is like okay.
Okay, all right. Let's talk about the placements after listening to the fees that you guys are paying. We should know कि placements क्या है. So, like, what's the average CTC that you might have heard from your senior for your particular course?
मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में. I'll tell you this. I just know कि हमें like internship में कितना stipend मिलता है. That is around like 38,000 for like your 1 year of internship per month. But after that, I think for MBBS it's a very different because people mostly they instead of going for jobs they start preparing for PG. So it's a very thin line. If you're then you depending on where you work, your salary might depend on what state you're in, or if you whether you're in a private setup or in a public hospital, like in a government hospital. So about placements, I'm not really sure. I'm sorry, I can't help you with that. But that
But
is all I know.
you might know now what are the companies that are visiting to the college every year frequently.
For MBBS, I don't think it works like that. As compared to like engineering and stuff, we don't have like companies coming to our campus for placements. You can like, because most of us are preparing for our postgraduate exams, so we graduate, we either like most of us just go back home and then prepare for PG, or do jobs at home, because near and about KMC Manipal you'd only have like the hospital that is attached to the college. And about I will ask my seniors and tell you more about this, but the system in MBBS is very different. You don't really get placed into hospitals and things. You have to kind of do that yourself.
Oh, okay.
The system is much different as you would find in other courses such as engineering or designing or some of my friends. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Like, we don't really have companies coming to our college for placements.
So do you think it's all worth it to be a part of this college? Like, of course, that was the last or the first option for you to come to this college. But again, like, what's your thought on like people who will be watching this video? Ki worth it hai to pay like 70-80 lakhs just for the experience and for everything that this college is giving you? So what's your take on that?
My take on that is very, it's like my opinion, but it can depend for a lot of people. I think that if you are able to get a college, which is like a government college, which obviously does not have such a huge fees, wherever that college is, just take it. If it's a government college, don't think about कि KMC बहुत अच्छा है. KMC अच्छा है, but उसकी फीस भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो like if you're able to get a government college, just go for it. Don't even think twice. But if you're not, and if you're a rank holder, then you can come to KMC if you really want to. But if you're not a rank holder, if you're getting if you like have like on an average in KMC, we have students of like rank 10,000, 15,000 to like 40, 50,000. So that's like the basic. That's like the average amount of rank. The people with their average ranks are like between 10,000 to 50,000. That's the kind of people that end up in KMC, because हमें almost government मिल जाता, पर मिला नहीं वाले बच्चे. तो वही सीन है. अगर तुम्हें मिल रहा है तो जाओ. अगर if your parents are able to afford this, if they can do this without putting too much burden on them, then you can come to KMC. It's definitely worth it, I would say. It's a great college, but think very wisely.
Yeah, it's a hefty expense, yeah, difficult to digest. So my last question would be, what are your plans for now? Like, of course, you are in second year, so you will be completing your degree. After that, what are your plans? Like, are you planning for a PG program or planning to go in corporate sector or anything?
For now, I haven't really thought about this. For me, the usual typical course is कि MBBS खत्म होगी, फिर internship करेंगे, फिर PG की तैयारी करेंगे, फिर PG की सीट लेंगे. तो और फिर ये है कि भाई PG में तो गवर्नमेंट निकालना ही है किसी भी तरह से. तो for now, like the plan of action is just to अभी थोड़ा सा chill है, because you can't really prepare for PG in like second year. You can, but I have planned by the end of like from third year, or like by the end of third year I would start preparing for PG. So that is how the plan is right now. And then after MBBS I'll probably not work. I'll prepare for PG first and go directly for that, but it depends. Like, you never know what happens.
Of course,
so maybe
of course, people earn a lot यार after MBBS. मतलब अभी इतना fees it might seem कि बहुत ज़्यादा है, but आगे जाके placements भी अच्छे लग ही जाते हैं, so it's good. And also, while I was reaching out to students, I've seen a lot of students are into blogging और मतलब बहुत reels और इन सब में they have like 70-80K followers on Instagram. Dentist का कुछ ना कुछ content वगैरह डालते रहते हैं. Good people are getting into this as well, content creation में भी कि यहाँ से कुछ हो जाए. अच्छा है. ठीक है यार, I guess that thank you for being honest, and I think this is it. So yeah, it will be helpful to a lot of students, and thanks for coming and sharing your experience. So yeah.